Okay, we have here a Veco 19 U control. This is a dual ball bearing motor, so it's the good one. It's been completely gone through, all cleaned up, no corrosion anywheres, and looks great. Kind of factory fresh looking. It's got a few little marks here or there, but that's typical of a older used motor. Good compression. So 9.4 APC. This is a Fox standard long glow plug. You can use a standard long, or you can use a standard short in this head. Either one is fine. This is Fox Superfuel, 5% nitro. It's a steel piston and liner, so it needs the castor oil content of good fuel. So let me see if I can get this started for us, and we'll demonstrate that it runs good and the 4.2 brake on it. Here we go. Okay, there you go. Good old Veco 19 dual ball bearing motors in really good shape. Should serve you well for control line use, or maybe even free flight use. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video.